Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my favorite casual dresses that are perfect for everyday wear. Whether you are running errands, meeting up with friends, or just lounging around, a casual dress is in a great option. Let's start with my top picks for casual wear dresses. These dresses are not only stylish but also comfortable and versatile. First up, we have the classic sundress, perfect for warm weather. Sundresses are a great option for casual outings. Next, we have the shift dresses, simple yet stylish. Shift dresses are perfect for everyday wear, and the great option is the maxi dress, flowy and comfortable. Maxi dresses are perfect for a relaxed look. When it comes to casual wear dresses, the fabric is just as important as the style. One of my favorite fabrics for casual dresses in cotton. Breathable and comfortable cotton is perfect for everyday wear. Another great option is linen. Lightweight and airy linen dresses are perfect for warm weather. You can also consider polyester or rayon dresses, which are often easy to care for and durable. Now let's talk about styling types for casual wear dresses. One of my favorite ways to style a casual dress is in with sneakers. Perfect for a relaxed look. Sneakers are great for everyday wear. You can also add a jacket or guardian to dress it up your look. Accessories can also make a big difference. Try adding a statement, necklace, or a pair of earrings to elevate your look. Let's talk about trends in casual wear dresses. One trend I am loving right now is utility dresses with pockets and functional details. Utility dresses are both stylish and practical. Another trend is sustainable dresses made from eco-friendly materials. Sustainable dresses are perfect for those who care about the environment. You can also consider dresses with bold prints or bright colors, which can add a pop of personality to your outfit. If you are interested in purchasing a casual wear dresses, here are some places to consider. Some popular brands for casual wear dresses includes Madewell, Ireland, and Free People. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on casual wear dresses. Whether you are looking for a stylish dress or just want to stay on trend, I hope you will find some inspiration in this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell from fashion content. When shopping for a casual wear dresses, consider the occasion and dress accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different style and trends. And most importantly, choose a dress that make you feel confident and comfortable. If you are looking for more ideas, consider a tunic dresses or a sweater dresses. These styles are perfect for colder weather and can be dressed up or down. You can also try layering a dress or legging over tights for a more polished look. The possibilities are endless, and I am sure you will find a style dress suits your taste and preference. Casual wear dresses are a great addition